Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. I'm going to cook chicken luncheon meat pasta with asparagus for our dinner. Guys, we start to boiling the water. Add 2 tablespoons of oil and then add 1 tablespoon of salt. And then when the water is boiled, you have to add the 1 pack of bowl pasta. And then after that, you have to set aside and you have to add 1 bunch of asparagus. And then you have to add 1 tablespoon of olive oil and 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix it and add 1 chop of onion chop. And then 4 cloves of fresh garlic chop. You have to stir it, making sure the garlic and onion is cooked. So now you have to set aside the pasta and the asparagus in the clean pan or basin. And then you have to stir very well, making sure the onions and garlic is cooked. And then you have to add the red pepper or bell pepper, any kind of pepper guys, but I put the red pepper. And then luncheon meat, 1 can. The luncheon meat, I cut it that small pieces like cube. And then 1 tablespoon of black pepper. I forgot to put the black pepper, but I cut off, so I'm sorry. And then 1/2 cup of hot water. And then you have to add like pasta sauce, both a ragu, and 4 tablespoons of white sugar. If you have no white sugar, any kind of sugar or brown sugar, 4 tablespoons. It's up to you if you want to like sweet. I like my spaghetti sweet. And 1 tablespoon of chicken powder. If you have no chicken powder, pork powder, or beef powder stock. And then you have to eat the sauce, and then you have to finish the pasta sauce inside the container. And then make sure the sauce is cooked. So now taste it. You can put the salt to taste, or if the salt is lack, you can add like soy sauce. So it's up to you guys. But now the food is ready to serve. I need to put the sauce on the pasta and asparagus. If you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe. And we shredded cheese, any kind of cheese. I shred the mozzarella cheese guys. And if you like this video, please don't forget to subscribe, likes, and leave comment. Thank you.